Hello everyone, I'm Nikita Agarwal and welcome to my channel Apostle Mathematics. In previous class we discussed some problem related to distance formula, and in this class also we are going to solve some different problem related to distance formula. So first of all our question is, name the type of quadrilateral formed if any and give reason for your answers. We have to tell which type of quadrilateral is formed. So first of all, we are going to revise one concept, like what is quadrilateral. Anything that is having four sides we call as quadrilateral. Like this A B C D. This is quadrilateral. Or in this quadrilateral, if AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC, means parallel side, this and this are equal, and AC, diagonal AC, this diagonal AC is not equals to diagonal BD. This diagonal AC is not equals to diagonal BD. Then we call this as parallelogram. So what is the property of parallelogram? If AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC, but both the diagonals are not equal, then we call this as parallelogram. Clear? Now if so first type of our quadrilateral is parallelogram. So what is the property of parallelogram? Both the sides have to be equal and diagonal should not be equal. Clear? Now second, if our AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC and our AC is also equals to BD. In this case our diagonals is also equal. So what is this? This is now rectangle. So this is going to be our rectangle. So what is the properties of rectangle? In all the AB is equals to DC, AD is equals to BC, and the diagonals are also equal. Now third is a rhombus. In a rhombus all the four sides are equal. AB is equals to BC is equals to AD is equals to DC, but our diagonals are not equal. Our diagonal AC is not equal to BD, so we call this a rhombus. Clear? And fourth one is our square. In square all the four sides are equal. AB is equals to BC is equals to AD is equals to DC, and also our diagonals are equal to each other. AC is equals to BD. So we call this as square. So we have four type of quadrilateral: parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, and square. Now you can differentiate. If our AB is equals to DC and AD is equals to BC, but diagonals are not equal, we call this as parallelogram. If our front and back sides are equal and diagonal is also equal, then we call as rectangle. If all the four sides are equal and diagonals are not equal, then we call this as rhombus. And all the four sides are equal and diagonals is also equal, then we call this as square. Clear? Now I am going to proceed towards solving the problem 1A part. In A part I am going to let -1, 2 as point A. So this is our -1, -2, and 1, 0 as point B, and -1, and -1, 2 as point C, and -3, 0 as point D. In this question we have to apply distance formula 6 times. We have to calculate first of all AB, then we have to calculate BC, then we have to calculate CD, then we have to calculate AD, and then we have to calculate diagonal AC and diagonal BD. Clear? This is very time consuming question, but this is really very easy. You just simply have to apply distance formula 6 times, and then you have to decide it is square, it is rhombus, it is it is parallelogram, or it is rectangle. So first of all, I am going to apply distance formula for AB. So what is AB? Distance formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So here are x1, y1, and this is our x2 and y2. So x1, x2 minus x1. So 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus of minus 2 whole square. Clear? So my 1 minus of minus 1 is not 0, it is minus minus plus. So it is 2 whole square, that is 4, and here 0 plus 2 is 2. So 2 whole square is again 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. Root 8. Clear? Now we have to calculate the BC. So for BC is, we again, this is now our x1 y1 and this is our x2 y2. So x2 minus x1. So minus 1 comma minus 1 whole square plus 2 comma 2 minus 0 whole square. So here is 4, 2 square is again 4, or here 2 square is again 4. So our answer is coming out to be 8. So our value of AB is root 8. Value of BC is again under root 8. Now we have to calculate the value of CD. In the case of CD, this is going to be x1 y1 and this is going to be x2 y2. Clear? So again I am applying the same distance formula for CD. X2 minus x1, so minus 3 comma minus of minus 1 whole square plus 0 comma minus 2 whole square. 0 minus 2 whole square. So here minus 3 plus 4 minus 3 minus minus plus 1 whole square and minus 2 whole square. So here one important thing is this only, minus 3 plus 1 whole square means minus 3 plus 1. Then our answer comes out to be minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square, and that is equals to root 8 only. So our CD is also coming out to be under root 8. Clear? Now you have to we have to calculate AD, our last side. So in the case of AD, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So x2 minus x1 minus 3 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. Clear? So here is one important step, this minus minus plus. So minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. So here we can say that minus 3 plus 1 is equals to minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So our answer comes out to be root 8. So this is also similar to so we can say that this is our parallelogram. Now we have to calculate AC and BD, and then we decide it is quadrilateral, rhombus, or square, what it is, like AC. So here AC is this. So in the case of AC, this is our x2 x1 and this is our x1 y1. So now applying distance formula, again what is x2? Minus 1. What is x1? That is also minus 1. So minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 2 and minus of minus 2 whole square. This is really very important. First of all, minus 1 minus minus plus. So this is plus 1 whole square. So minus 1 plus 1 is going to be cancel out, and here is also here is 2 minus minus 2, that is plus 2. So this is going to be cancel out, minus 1 plus 1. So here is 0 square, and here 2, so 2 plus 2 is 4. So 4 square is 16, and the under root of 16 is 4. Clear? Is there any problem? Here this is very important. Minus 1 is plus 1, and minus 1 plus 1 is going to be cancel out. Now, so value of AC is 4. Now, the value of, now I am going to calculate the value of BD. So what is BD? BD here is diagonal this. So this is x1, y1, and this is here is x2, y2. So x1, y1 is 1, 0, and x2, y2 is minus 3, 0. So x2 minus 3 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square. So this is, so minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4 whole square, and 0 whole square is 0 only. So minus 4 whole square is root 16, and our answer is coming out to be 4. So now we have the value of all the sides like A, B, B, C, C, D, A, D, A, C, and B, D, root 8, root 8. So what is this? This is the property of square. In the case of square, all the four sides are equal and also the diagonals are equal. So name the type of quadrilateral form. So what you can say? This is square. So the quadrilateral formed is square. And why it is square? Because all the four sides are equal. AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD, and two diagonals are also equal. So we call this as square. So this is the reason to tell these vertices as a vertices of square. Now question number B. Question number 1's B part you solve at home, and if you have any problem, comment me in the comment box, or you can rewrite me as at Nikita nikita.agarwal 0222@gmail.com, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.